Hello everyone, today we will compare Fourthwall and Teespring, two popular platforms for creators to sell custom merchandise. So Fourthwall is a platform that allows creators to design, sell, and ship custom merchandise while also offering tools for website creation and fan engagement. While Teespring provides an easy-to-use platform for creating and selling custom products, handling everything from production to shipping, with a focus on simplicity and reach. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Fourthwall and Teespring, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. So when we talk about customizable stores, so Fourthwall is a fully customizable store with various design tools while Teespring have limited customization and templated options. And when we talk about the product variety, so Fourthwall offers wide range of physical and digital products while Teespring offers primarily focus on apparel and accessories. When we talk about payment options, Fourthwall integrates with Stripe, PayPal, and others, while Teespring mainly handles payment through its platform only. And when we talk about customer data access, Fourthwall have full access to customer data when Teespring have limited access to customer data. When we talk about branding control, Fourthwall have full control over branding while Teespring have limited control. So Teespring branding is visible. When we talk about the platform fees, so Fourthwall have monthly subscription based on pricing. And when Teespring, they have no upfront fees but they take a significant cut of sales. And when we talk about marketing tools, Fourthwall have advanced tools including email marketing, SEO features, while Teespring have basic promotion and marketing tools. When we talk about integration, Fourthwall integrates with various app and services, while Teespring have limited integration. And lastly, for payout frequency, Fourthwall have weekly payouts, while the payouts on Teespring is every 21 days. So that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. When we talk about the platform fee, so as I said, Fourthwall offers $30 per month for basic plan, while Teespring have no upfront fees. And when we talk about the transaction fee, Fourthwall offers 2.9% plus $0.3 per transaction, while Teespring takes out a cut from each sale and it varies by product. And when it comes to product-based cost, Fourthwall varies by product. Same thing with Teespring. And when it comes to payout threshold, so as I said earlier, Fourthwall have no payout threshold, so they don't have any payout threshold, while Teespring have $100 payout thresholds for payout. And when it comes to additional costs, Fourthwall have custom domains and other integration that requires additional costs, while Teespring have no additional upfront costs. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go to another section, which is the performance. So when we talk about the store speed, so Fourthwall is very fast and they are optimized for performance, while Teespring is moderate and it depends on traffic and customization. When it comes to ease of use, Fourthwall is slightly complex but powerful tools, while Teespring have very user-friendly and beginner-focused ease of use. And when it comes to customer conversion rates, so Fourthwall have higher conversion rates due to customization and marketing tools, while Teespring is moderate and it depends on the niche. And lastly, for SEO capabilities, Fourthwall is have very strong SEO tools built in, while Teespring have basic SEO functionality. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to another section, which is the customer support. When it comes to support channels, Fourthwall have email, live chat, dedicated account managers. Same thing with Teespring with added limited live chat and help center. And when it comes to response time, so Fourthwall have quick response time, especially for premium plans, while Teespring have average response time. And when it comes to Help Center, Fourthwall have comprehensive knowledge base while Teespring have only basic Help Center with facts. And lastly, for community support, Fourthwall have active user community tutorials while Teespring have limited community interaction. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, and let's start with Fourthwall pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Fourthwall offers a high level of customization and branding control, allowing creators to fully express their unique identity. They provide full access to customer data, which is invaluable for building a loyal customer base and personalizing marketing efforts. They include advanced marketing tools such as email marketing and SEO features, giving users the ability to drive traffic and conversions effectively. And lastly, they have a strong SEO and mobile optimization, ensure that your store performs well across devices and ranks higher in search results. For the cons, Fourthwall platform comes with a monthly subscription fees, which might be a barrier for some users, especially those who just starting out. And the setup process is more complex compared to other platforms, requiring a learning curve to fully utilize its powerful tools. Lastly, they have a higher upfront cost may arise due to additional needs like custom domains and integration, which might not be ideal for those on a tight budget. So yes, that's it for the pros and cons of Fourthwall. So now let's go directly with Teespring. When it comes to pros, Teespring does not require any upfront fees, making it a low-risk option for anyone looking to start selling online without significant financial commitment. And the platform is very easy to use and beginner-friendly, with a simple setup process that allows you to get your store up and running quickly. And they offer global shipping options, making it possible to reach customer worldwide without dealing with the logistic or international delivery. And lastly, they have simple setup with templated design, means you can start selling products with minimal effort and technical know-how. And that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Teespring customization options are limited, which mean less control over how your store looks and function compared to other platforms. There is a less control over branding, with Teespring own branding visible on your store, which might not be appeal to those looking to establish a strong independent brand presence. And the platform takes a higher cut per transaction, which can eat into your profits, especially if you're selling a lower margin products. And lastly, the marketing and SEO tools are basic, so you may need to rely on external methods to drive traffic and sales. So yes, that's it for the Teespring pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Fourthwall. So Fourthwall is referable for someone who is looking for full control over their brand and store customization, allowing for a highly personalized and professional online presence. Someone who needs access to advanced marketing tools and customer data to effectively drive growth and build a loyal customer base. Someone who are comfortable with a subscription-based pricing model and is willing to invest in a platform that offers sophisticated features and capabilities. And lastly, someone who aims for a higher conversion rates and superior SEO performance to maximize visibility and sales potential. So if you have all of this quality, Fourthwall is the one for you. So for the people who should choose Teespring, Teespring is preferable for someone who prefers a no upfront cost platform with a straightforward setup, enabling a quick and easy start with minimal financial risk. Someone who is new to selling online and needs a user-friendly platform that requires minimal technical skills or experience. Someone who is okay with limited customization options in exchange for faster and simpler launch process. And lastly, someone who focuses on selling a specific range of products such as apparel and accessories and is more comfortable with the platform handling payments and logistics. So if you have all of this quality right here, Teespring is the one for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offer unique strengths tailored to different needs. Fourthwall is ideal for creators who prioritize full control over their brand, customization, and advanced marketing tools. It's perfect if you're looking to build a long-term professional online store. On the other hand, Teespring is a great choice for beginners or those who want a hassle-free, no-cost startup, particularly if you're selling a narrower range of products. So choose the platform that best fits your goals and the kind of experience you want to offer your audience. And if this comparison helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more comparison and insight into the best tools for creators. So let us know in the comments which platform you prefer or if you have any questions. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.